What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be changing the oil in this 2008 2.0 Mazda 3. So I drove the car up on ramps, I put chocks behind the rear wheels, and now it's time to remove this lower splash shield. The lower splash shield is held on by 3 10mm bolts on top, and 1 on each side on the back. Once the lower splash shield is removed, we have access to the oil filter and the oil drain plug. The oil drain plug is going to be a 17mm socket. So I've positioned my catch pan underneath my oil drain plug. I'm going to remove the plug now and let that drain. I had an issue with my phone, so I'm missing the first part of removing this oil filter. That's why you don't see a whole lot of oil right there. So after I have the oil filter removed, the oil pan is finished draining, so I'm going to put in the oil drain plug, clean up any oil that's around there, and tighten it back up. So now it's time to unbox the new oil filter. I'm using a Fram Extra Guard PH3614, and like with any new oil filter, you want to put some of the new oil on the new rubber gasket. That way it'll create a good seal, it won't leak, and it'll be easier to remove the next time you do your oil change. Okay, so I'm going to get it tightened up by hand, and then I'm going to use my oil filter wrench to finish it up. So if you don't know what kind of oil your car takes, you can look on the oil engine cap on most cars and it'll have it written on there, or your owner's manual, or you can Google it. You also need to know how much oil your car holds. So I'm referring to my owner's manual, and it calls for 4.5 quarts. And then it's time to add the oil. And then it's time to remove the funnel and reinstall the oil engine cap. And it's also at this time that I like to look underneath the car and check for oil leaks, specifically around the oil filter and the oil drain plug. And as always, remember to dispose of your old oil properly. Now it's time to reinstall the lower splash shield. At last, it's time to check the oil. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.